Hello, my dear friends. I think before the exam week, all we are struggling with the softwares, basically GIS, ArcGIS, and recently the assignment on Aqua Cycle. So most of you are having problem, including me, but I got quite satisfactory result, and some of you are asking for the appointment. So as I'm busy too, maybe due to class and other things, I cannot manage time for you. So I found it's easy to share materials and tutorials. So what I got the result, just what I'd like to share with you guys. So just please bear with me. First of all, I think most of you already installed and start using the software Echo Cycle. What my observation is, it's not that much user friendly, and its tools is not that much easy to work because each and every point so we're facing different problems. Okay, so let's start with this tutorial. The first thing is, as usual, you have to open the software. Then immediately you'll see the Windows. Where before opening, I have a one, two, or three things to say. Otherwise, you might get into troubles. The first thing is that for your case, when you open the new file, by default, the number of cluster here it will be open. Okay, let's open a new file for you, and then it will be easier to understand. So this is my Aqua cycle, the modeling toolkit. So just I opened it, you see what I mean. There is no catchment size, there is a number of cluster is 1. So the thing is, when you gonna open a new files which has a similar number of clusters, then it's okay. But when you are going to open like which assignment we're dealing with, we have three clusters. So if you want to open the file, so it will create a problem with the software, because when the by default it has the space only one column to store data for one cluster. But if you put here one, but if you try to open the database set which has a three columns, so software get difficulties to store other two columns or data for other two clusters. So I hope you understand the thing. So let's change this to 3. Okay, and don't worry about the space here 0, because already in your data set, when you'll open and when you will input those input those parameters, it will be automatically generated and it will come here and it will be visible. So other thing is, I think no need to do anything, just click here annual, or if you like to receive or the view, or you want to see the files like monthly or daily, then it's up to you. So I'm just going for the selection or the checkbox, the annual one. And now another important thing is that you can change this directory for the output files, because often if you go for the by default, it will take time because it will be stored in the C drive and you have to browse several folder. So there is no obligation where you're working, they have to store in C drive. Just is up to your choice where you want to locate your folder. So just delete it, and I'm going to give it new locations. So I put my data here. Here my name Badsha Aqua Cycle. So these are the data I put here. So I can create a new folder that is called result. Then open the folder, and there is a, if you go for the direct the URL bar and just click on mouse over there, then you will get the directory. You can just copy and go back